In this video, I'll explain how to use DashPass and all the different benefits that come with it. You can think of DashPass similar to like Amazon Prime, so you'll get different benefits and discounts in addition to the DoorDash service itself. In this video, I'll be using DoorDash on the computer because it's easier to walk through some things, but I know most people will be on the app, so for the most part it's all the same except a couple of differences, which I'll point out later in the video. If you're watching this video, I assume you already have DashPass, but just in case, you can click on account and then you should see manage DashPass here if you want to confirm if you haven't. For anyone who has the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve, you can actually get the DashPass for free. So all you need to do is go to your account and then you want to scroll down until you see payment here. And then from there, you should be able to add your Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve. Once you add your Chase card, you should see something like this. It'll list out all the different benefits, and if you add it today, you should get it through the end of December 2027. And you also get this $10 monthly credit that I'll talk more about later. But again, this whole pass just basically helps reduce any of these delivery fees as well as the service fees. For example, if I wanted to get Chipotle delivered, this is how much it would cost. And you can see here that there's no delivery fee because of the DashPass, and also the fees and estimated taxes are reduced. So this can definitely save you a lot of money if you use DoorDash a lot. Now, I want to talk about one of the most underrated benefits of this pass, and it's for that $10 monthly credit. So you actually notice here that it's only for grocery and retail stores. So what that means is you can't use it on Chipotle or restaurants like that. So this is mainly focused on people who get their groceries delivered, but I'll show you how you can maximize this credit even if you never get your groceries delivered. The key to the $10 credit is that you want to make sure you place a pickup order and not a delivery. That way you avoid any of those extra fees. To do this, select the grocery tab on the left hand side here. This will show you all the grocery stores around you. And for this example, I'll use 7-Eleven. And you'll see I already have stuff added to my cart, but you want to make sure you go to the final checkout page. This is where you'll be able to use that $10 monthly credit. Once you get to the final confirmation page, it should look something like this. You want to make sure that you have the pickup option selected because it defaults to delivery. But once you have that selected, you should see the $10 monthly credit, and you just want to make sure you toggle it here. And then your total should have $10 taken off. So you can see here, my total is only $3.06. And the nice thing is, if the total is under $10, then it's free. So this is a really great way to use a $10 monthly credit. The only hard thing at the beginning is figuring out which grocery store has a pickup option. So I'm on the computer right now, but it's actually easier to do this on the app. So here in this video, you want to go ahead and open the app and then click on grocery at the very bottom. And then you see a list of different options near you. And then here, I'll click on 7-Eleven and you can see here there's a delivery and pickup option. So that's how you know. And for my experience, 7-Eleven is probably your best bet. Also, I click on the Speedway, which is another gas station, but here I'll go ahead and click on CVS and you'll notice that there's no pickup option. So that means you won't be able to do it here. So doing it on your phone is actually the easiest way to find out which grocery store has a pickup location. If you're on the computer, you can see which stores have the pickup option as well. It's just a little more annoying because you have to get to the final checkout page. So for example, I'll click on 7-Eleven, go ahead and check out all of the items in my cart. And then again, you have to make sure you go to the final page to be able to see the pickup option if it's there at all. So once I click this, you should see this load. And if the option is there, you'll see it here. So I know the 7-Eleven has a pickup option, but it's really annoying. There's no easy way to filter this. So this is probably your best way to do it. Or if you're in the app, it's a little easier there. Thanks for making it this far into the video. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.